Step 9, export deliverables. Congratulations, if you're on this step, it means your project has been approved. Everyone loves it. And now it is time to export the version that's going to be best for wherever this video is going to be delivered. In this particular case, it's the Getwell network. But every project is going to have a different deliverable. And that means at this stage, we're going to be asking a lot of questions. We're going to ask, number one, what's the final video called? What's the description of that video? We really want to finalize the title at this stage. And then the second question we ask is, which format am I using and where am I delivering it to? So if you don't know the answers to those questions, you're going to want to ask the producer or the client or both. Get those answers, and then if you don't have that format in your final cut, which you're about to see, if you go to do this tutorial and you're not seeing that format that you need, you call me and we get it all figured out. I might even refer you to the tutorial on adding custom presets. So here's my project. It's been approved. As you can see, it's awesome. Okay, and this is for the Getwell network. So I'm going to go way over here to the share arrow. And I'm going to share this to the Getwell network widescreen, since this is widescreen. I'll get rid of those tags. We're not using those yet. Those will come into play later. Like I said, this is where we want to name the video with the correct title, which I just asked Beth, and we decided it's Welcome to Inova Fair Oaks Hospital. This video does not need a description. And you notice I'm going to leave the ticket number here. It's very important that that is always a part of the file name. It can be removed only when this is actually put into the Getwell network. We want to have that ticket number in the file name all the time on our end. Okay, so there we go. Next. Now it's going to ask me where I want to save it to. I'm going to go to deliverables, which is library share deliverables, or I've created a shortcut to it here. Either way, we click on there and we'll see if there's not an appropriate folder. Go ahead and click here and create one, but in this case there already is an appropriate folder, Getwell network. I'll click on that and I'll save it to that folder. Now that's exporting. And when it's finished, I will see the finished product in that folder, and I'll be able to then deliver that, in this case, to the Getwell network folks via FTP. That's beyond the scope of this tutorial.